In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate HubSpot with Microsoft Outlook. By the end, your inbox, contacts, and calendar will be working seamlessly with HubSpot so your communication and scheduling stay organized without extra manual work. Start by opening HubSpot in your browser and logging in. Make sure you are using a supported up-to-date browser and that your account has permission to connect an email and install apps. If you are working in a company account, it's a good idea to confirm you are signed into the correct profile before you move on. Once you are in, head to Settings. From there, go to the General section and open the Email tab. This is where you'll connect your inbox so HubSpot can log emails and track replies automatically. You'll see an option to connect a personal email. Click that. Choose Microsoft Outlook and follow the prompts. You'll be asked to sign in with your Microsoft account and approve permissions. These permissions allow HubSpot to send, receive, and log messages on your behalf, which is essential for accurate tracking. If your organization uses single sign-on, you may be redirected to your company's sign-in page. Just complete that process as usual. When you are done, HubSpot will confirm the connection. If you don't see confirmation right away, give it a moment and refresh the page. With your inbox connected, let's sync your contacts and calendar. In HubSpot, open the Marketplace, sometimes labeled the App Marketplace. Search for Outlook Contacts or Outlook Calendar, depending on what you want to sync first. Select the app, click Install, and authenticate with the same Microsoft account you used a moment ago. During installation, you may see options for what to sync and how. If you are unsure, the default settings are typically a safe place to start. Keep the same account consistent across email, contacts, and calendar to avoid mix-ups. After installation, verify the sync is running. You can check for a few contacts appearing in HubSpot, or look for upcoming meetings to populate on your calendar. If something doesn't appear right away, allow a few minutes for the initial sync. If you run into any access or permission messages, confirm you are using the correct account and that your Microsoft admin hasn't restricted app permissions. That's it. Thanks for watching.